The boot of this car here, which is a Hyundai Bayon, and the boot of this car here, which is a Hyundai i20, and the boot of this car here, which is a Hyundai Kona, they all share one common thing, and that's a really handy adjustable item in them. So like most cars, we have a parcel shelf that comes down and goes up, but sometimes if you have something tall, that'll get in the way. Anyway, if you open up this and this, and if you pull the parcel shelf out, for i20 and Bayon, there's a kind of a rail where it sits. So if you see this down in through here, this little kind of rubber here, all we're doing is pulling that backwards on the rail, and we're doing the same on the other side, and then it just slides down that little channel all the way down out of the way. So it means you can put something tall in it, but you don't have to throw out that parcel shelf on the rear. So it's really handy from that point of view. So i20 and Bayon work like that. Kona is marginally more elaborate. So the same idea at the start. All we're going to do is disconnect and disconnect over through here. Slightly different on these. So they're held up by these, one here and one over here. So all you want to do is just take the parcel shelf and just pull it loose from where it's held in. Same on this side, just pull it loose, and now it's loose, and you can slide it a little bit further forward, and then it falls into place there again. So the same idea, something tall, but I still have the parcel shelf for later on whenever I want to use it. Kona does one more thing though. So say if you wanted to fold the seats forward, you can take this back out, and then if you notice over here, this and also this over through here, the parcel shelf can sit onto those. So you want to push it back in and then push that down, and the same side push that one down and then drop it like so. So that means then the parcel shelf is still in the car, but it means I can drop the seats forward, and that means then I've got parcel shelf kind of stowed away, and I can still use a lot of the load area but not have to leave this in the garage. So anyway, hopefully that's useful. Thanks for watching.